Welcome back to the channel and to some a familiar sight, the Evart Trailhead. Today I'm joined by the Mitten State Tours group, and as the local expert, I'm leading them through the trails and to some exhilarating hill climbs. Everyone here is getting aired down and gearing up for this epic off-roading experience.
That's not what I'm worried about. It's just, I don't see this trail in my Gaia.
Well, I'm not on Gaia. I was gonna say something else after that, but then I thought, you know, I don't know. This group might start a fight over an app.
We'll fight over anything. I could be like, yeah, you know, Nathan's hot dogs aren't nearly as good as Castro hot dogs, and, you know, people will be pulling guns on each other by the end of the trip.
Casey always brings the best hot dogs.
Okay, why'd we have to get on the subject of hot dogs, though?
Oh, you got a bunch of Toyota guys, and we love talking about wieners.
You know, after putting out the drone, I started to head up the hill, and I stuck at the top. Others soon followed, and I recorded the fun that we were going to have. While on this ride, I tracked my first trail as an Onyx off-road trail guide so that others can find this trail as well. I'll include a link in the description as soon as it's live on Onyx. However, it wasn't until it was too late that I realized I had forgotten about something. I probably need to check the drone.
Is it still up there?
Yeah, it should be over here somewhere.
I don't see it.
I don't either, and that's concerning.
Does it go to home?
Yeah, which would be like right here. Or no, down there.
Oh, because you started
I started it down there. Shoot. Tell him to hold on if he wants video, but... Oh, yeah.
I know where it is. I see it.
Oh, sweet. Where? Where at?
About halfway down the hill, the side we went up.
Okay, if I walk down, can you direct me towards it?
I'm about right to it right now, walking up the hill.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
There you go. Look, he got the drone, he brought it back! The savior of the drone!
I got you, fam.
Woohoo!
There you go.
Hey, it isn't even damaged.
No, she just
Sweet.
got down a little bit and got caught up in some
I know.
of those,
Had
riders.
you not said
Yeah.
that the first time?
It
Even when I came up
goes back to home when it's dead, and home was down there when we started, and I forgot it was in the air. I'm like, oh
I
crap.
wondered, I saw it drop down just a few feet.
I'm like, oh no, here we go.
It just kind of floated a little bit.
That was stressful. I appreciate it. And it saved the video.
How's it feel to not do a bypass, Derek?
You spoke too soon.
Foiled by a stump.
There you go. There you go. Keep coming. Keep coming. You did it! There you go. Holy hell. There you go. At the end of our time on the hill climb, I finally got a chance to go down and attempted to go back up after everyone else had gone through and dug it out some. With Joe's assistance, it was a cakewalk.
Alright, keep coming. Start dropping down. Rear's coming down.
Everything's in the floorboards.